Hello and welcome to another update video on Coinbase. I wanted to take a moment to talk to you about the Coinbase chart. I know a lot of you are interested in this crypto stock, and what we are looking at here on the larger time frame is a diagonal structure to the upside. So that has been my perspective for quite a long time. In our crypto membership, I basically cover Coinbase, I'd say at least 3 to 4 times a week, sometimes even every day in some weeks. And so just in case you're wondering, but this is a scenario I've been tracking for quite some time. The idea of 5 waves to the upside on the long-term chart. And I get a lot of requests about Coinbase because Coinbase is currently pushing to new highs. Not new all-time highs, but new local highs. And we've just broken above the December 2024 swing high. Now, the idea is with any diagonal pattern, we are looking for a 5-wave move up. We've got the wave 1, we've got the wave 2, we've got the wave 3. The idea was that this here was a 4th wave, and we wanted to get one more high to $420. So that's always been kind of my milestone target. We're getting closer. Still seems far away, but actually looking at the chart itself, it doesn't seem to be that far away. So $420 doesn't need to be the maximum, but it is the level that, well, it represents the next milestone target. Overall, the idea was that we should get one more high in this cycle, but this chart also indicates that Coinbase isn't always correlating with Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin at the moment is just moving sideways, Coinbase is going up. The idea, I've got 2 wave counts, 2 structures that I'm tracking here for this move up. The idea is that a 4th wave in this diagonal pattern bottomed in April, around the 5th of April, 7th of April. And because we have a diagonal pattern, the 5th wave up needs to be an ABC structure. So in one scenario, which is highlighted here in white, we've got 5 waves up in wave A. We could then get a 3-wave pullback next in wave B and get a C-wave rally. Probably then higher than $420. The exact target depends on where wave B forms a low. So still bullish. In the yellow scenario, the A wave topped already here on the 22nd of May. We already had the B wave, and now we're moving up in a C wave. And honestly, we might get to $420 directly. At the moment, I'm still tracking the potential of 5 more well-defined waves like that, but we don't even need that. I'll talk about that in a minute a little further. So let's zoom in. Basically, that means all of these structures I'm currently tracking are still bullish. What I just need to do is adjust support slightly based on the high, because we've pushed a little higher. And you might be wondering, what are these support levels about? Well, this here, with support at $175, is the main support for wave B. So in the white scenario, we're overall bullish as long as we're holding $175. Below that level, it becomes more probable a long-term top has already formed. If I zoom in a little bit, there is a chance for the yellow scenario to play out. I prefer yellow at this stage because we pushed above the December high. So that means this might be another 1-2 setup. And the support for this wave 2, if it happens, is between $261 and $314. However, we've got micro support up here, really the smallest micro support area, and that is, as long as this is holding, we don't even have any signal that wave 2 has started. So the pressure remains up in the very short term as long as we're holding $333. And the next resistance level is at $420. As long as that reaches my kind of medium long-term target for this cycle has been reached, but then we will take it level by level. Now, if you're wondering how to get access to this analysis, just check out our membership. You also get access to the live chart, which is updated regularly. But that should give you a good idea of where we stand with Coinbase. The market is very much overstretched here, especially this move up from the 13th of June low is very, very stretched. So I would not be surprised if a pullback starts soon, but we need a break below $333 for a first indication of a local top. That's the update on Coinbase. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.